My first attempt at making a flourless protein pancake was, I guess, a little dry. If you haven't realized already, this what I eat in a week or a day video is not like the other ones you see on YouTube where it's super aesthetic, because the reality is that currently I'm not able to make restaurant quality food or make it look pretty. But as long as the food tastes yummy to me, that's all that really matters. But nothing like a little balance while I indulge in some chicken satay and chicken katsu curry. I've tried cutting out certain foods from my diet, but that never lasted. A part of me keeps telling myself to maybe not take food and exercise so seriously. And I know gummies are unhealthy, but it's absolutely necessary for my sanity, and for some reason, I can really crank out a paper when I'm snacking on these. I start every morning off with these overnight wheat bix I make. This one is just with strawberry yogurt and chopped strawberries on top. Although I like to add a heavy protein source to each of my meals, something about a quick and simple peanut noodle dish is so comforting. My friend told me to try these low-carb Boost bars. This one's the strawberry cream flavor, and they were honestly so good. A soft mousse consistency on the inside and a harder crunch on the outside. And you know how people usually make weekly trips to the grocery store? I've been making daily trips. Something about it is so relieving to me, but maybe it's just the fact that I'm spending? I don't really know. This part of my cooking journey is called throwing random ingredients together and somehow they turn out tasting kinda good. I think tuna isn't getting enough love out there. Like, they're $1 per can, they're convenient, they're high in protein, you can add it to any meal. Literally, look at me eating it with a bagel. I had to go out for a stroll because my anxiety levels were through the roof and it feels like I haven't properly taken a break this semester yet. Some people prefer to get takeout more often if they're stressed, but cooking has been a form of therapy for me. Honestly, think of a better coping mechanism than improving your culinary skills. Okay, so I just came back from my clinical exam. And I passed, which is really all that I care about. It was chaotic, it was stressful. I thought I wasn't going to pass because I did mess up. I'm done for the week pretty much. And so I'm just gonna kind of take it easy, de-stress a little bit. It's been a hell of a semester, and I'll see you later. Here we are in a little K-town in Sydney. This was my first time in this area and I was so excited because I was surrounded by Korean food and I love Korean food. A couple of us decided to organize a celebratory post-exam Korean barbecue. I think this feast was the only thing getting us through the day and the only thing we were looking forward to. Also, I swear they put crack in this fried rice because it was so good I couldn't stop eating it, although I was so full already.
This tastes really good.
You're always in my videos doing the same thing. I may or may not have an obsession with bagels. They just have the right amount of chewiness that slices of toast don't have. And they're also so versatile. You can make it sweet, make it savory, you name it. I've stopped restricting certain foods from my diet because they end up coming back to bite me in the ass. There's nothing quite like some good guilty pleasure Chinese street food. This is jiangxiangbing, which is basically a Chinese pancake coated with this savory goodness. Don't judge me, but it's one of those days where it feels like my stomach has no end to it. These were 10 little cream puffs for $5, and it doesn't stop there. This is basically a dry hot pot where you can pick your own ingredients. You always need a bowl of rice with something spicy and numbing like this. I wasn't kidding about my bagel obsession, but for those of you who are sick of seeing bagels, I made some peri-peri chicken pasta for dinner. It was a nice hearty and carby meal. I hope you all are eating well and taking care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next one.